Hello guys, are you looking for best Rolex watches? Here we found Rolex Daytona watch. This luxury watch has sphere, diamonds, yellow gold, white gold and ever rose. Technical specifications are case size and material 40 mm, case in Rolex Priority white gold. Movement caliber 4130 automatic. Functions are hours, minutes, small seconds and chronograph. Strap or bracelet white gold oyster bracelet with double locking clasp. Gemstones are fixed 36 baguette cut rainbow, graded fire bezels, brilliant cut diamonds or indices. Case size plus material 40 mm case in yellow gold. Movement automatic case material rose gold. Bracelet material also rose gold. Power reserve approximate 72 hour case material rose gold. Case diameter is 40 mm. Water resistance 10 atm bezel material. Crystals for crystals dial color is black. 18 kt rose gold case with a 18 kt rose gold Rolex oyster bracelet. Fixed 18 kt rose gold bezel showing tachymeter markings. Black dial with rose gold hands and luminous turquoise markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog luminescent hands and dial markers. Chronograph 3 rose gold subdials displaying 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 minutes and 12 hours. Automatic movement with a 72 hours power reserve battery. Scratch resistance sapphire crystals. Screwed on crown solid case back. Case diameter almost 40 mm. Round case shape. Deployment keyless. Water resistance at 100 meters or 330 feet. Main functions are chronograph, hours, minutes, second, luxury watch style and watch table Swiss made.